So in this video we take a look at the min function in Python. This function returns the item with the lowest value or the item with the lowest value in an iterable. Iterables are data types like lists or dictionaries or tuples or sets and strings. So if you have two strings, then the min function compares them alphabetically. The syntax is very simple. You just got, take a look here, you just got min, and in brackets the arguments are the items you want to compare with, like A1, A2. So there are some examples I want to show you. For numbers, we have the min function and we compare two integers, 4 and 8. And we will print out the result. Then we've got the list in the variable numbers, and this list includes 5 integers, 1, 9, 3, 5, and 7. And we compare them with the min function and print out the result. So the last example is for strings. We've got three names, Adam, Julia, and Romeo. We've got our min function, which compares the strings, and then we print out the result. So let's run the program, and we see the results. It's for our first example, it's 4. So if you remember, we applied the min function to two integers, which were 4 and 8, and the result is 4. 4 is the lowest value, so everything's fine. And the second result is 1. And if we take a look at our list numbers, we've got these 5 integers, and 1 is the integer with the lowest value. So the result is correct. And the last example for strings, the result is Adam. And we compared these names, Adam, Julia, and Romeo. Adam starts with an A, so it's for the min function, it's the alphabetically, it's the lowest value, so everything's fine. And that's it. That's the function min. So if you want, you can use the comment section and write me something. And I would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. But no pressure, no? You don't have to. But I would be happy if you do. And stay ambitious somehow. And we hear us the next time. Bye.